Wow, Magic Unicorn of Unpassive. Here's a video of Mr. Mufareh giving some of his employees cars and iPhones as gifts. What a great CEO. Watch this clip. It'll blow you away. Unbelievable. Yes, yes, yes. Can you say giveaway? Yes.
And thank you everybody, everywhere in Hyderabad, every place. It's a fantastic day. It's a very happy Friday. All right. So this is Mr. Venka Kili for our guests and founder to know. He's very calm, honest individual. That's why Mr. Venka Kili is gonna give the key to Mr. Venka Kili. You're keeping the car. Happy anniversary. He just turned 1 year with us since he came back. And congratulations. This is a small thank you from all of us. Now, Junaid, I know you've seen him before. Okay? Junaid Ahmed. He is from Kolkata originally, moved to Bangalore, now moved to Hyderabad with his family, and he had a rough year. And he is the oldest ONPASSIVE veteran. 4 years today, working with me.
Congratulations.
Almost around the clock. 4 years. You also get a car. You did not know
Congratulations.
that. Congratulations, Junaid. Hopefully this will make it an easier year for you.
Unbelievable because it's just, I'm blank completely. I did not imagine or expect this at all. Like not even one person. Because we always feel it's already a part, like I'm blessed and it's just you're blessing us every day. With us being a part of ONPASSIVE and doing such a great job here for the entire humanity and the world.
Thank you, Ash, and thank you ONPASSIVE for giving this wonderful gift.
I'm very much happy to receive this wonderful gift from ONPASSIVE Technologies. Thank you.
Thank you, Ash. Thanks for this wonderful gift. I never expected that I will get within 2 months of my joining. Thanks again. I am in it to win it. Thank you.
Rewards always motivates to give more efforts, to keep more efforts. So this gift motivates me more. Thanks, Ash. Thanks, ONPASSIVE.
Thank you, Ash, and thank you, Junaid, for the wonderful gift of iPhone.
Thanks, Mr. Ash, for this wonderful gift. I think you are extending your love towards to every my dear colleagues. So I hope everybody will receive this wonderful gift. Thank you so much.
Hi Ash, thank you for recognizing my effort and rewarding me with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Thank you so much.
Hello Ash, thank you for this wonderful gift, iPhone Pro Max. Thank you to my team and complete ONPASSIVE.
Hi Ash, thank you for this wonderful gift.
iPhone 13 Pro Max. Thank you for motivating us. I'd like to thank my team members also. They are in it to win it.
I'm surprised and I have no words to express my happiness, exceedingly overjoyed to this great honor from my organization. I'm sincerely thankful to our CEO, Mr. Mufareh, and the people who have supported me and encouraged me to get this level, get this stage, and I'll ensure that I'll continue put my efforts and see that organization is at the great level.
Wondering how this car got changed? Well, OnPassive rewards you for your hard work and dedication. I just received my brand new car and I would like to say a big thank you to Ash and the entire team for supporting me throughout. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, everyone.